Welcome to our video on the Keto Diet Plan Reddit. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that helps your body burn fat for energy. Reddit is a great platform to find support, tips, and recipes for your keto journey. The Keto Diet Plan Reddit community is filled with success stories and helpful advice. You can find meal plans, grocery lists, and even before and after photos on Reddit. The Keto Diet Plan Reddit community is a great place to ask questions and get feedback. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. The keto diet can help with weight loss, increased energy, and improved mental clarity. Many people on Reddit shared their favorite keto-friendly snacks and meals. The Keto Diet Plan Reddit community is a supportive and encouraging place to be. Make sure to stay hydrated and get enough electrolytes while on the keto diet. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients on your keto journey. The Keto Diet Plan Reddit community is a wealth of information and inspiration. Remember that everyone's body is different, so listen to yours and adjust as needed. The keto diet can be a sustainable and enjoyable way to improve your health. Join the Keto Diet Plan Reddit community today to start your journey to a healthier you. Share your progress, ask questions, and connect with others on the same path. Remember to be patient with yourself and celebrate every small victory. The Keto Diet Plan Reddit community is here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your keto journey with Reddit.